Hey, we'll talk to you about your mathitude uh, and Aunt Sally. Your mathitude and Aunt Sally together. We're going to talk about it right now. Oh, hey, Aunt Sally. Who is she? What's she got to do with mathematics? Okay, math is different than reading. Okay, so here it is. Do you know the answer to that? Woo, sorry. 2 plus 3 times 4. Now, if you think the answer is 20, I'm sorry to tell you, you're incorrect. It's because you got to know about Aunt Sally. Okay. So, what that means is, ready? Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. My sister's name's Sally. What this means is, in mathematics, we don't just go left to right like we do in reading. Okay. We don't. What we do, okay, get my angle right here. Sorry. There. What we do is we always going to do it in this order. We're always going to do the parentheses first. This problem does not have parentheses. We don't worry about it. Then we're going to do our exponents next. There are no exponents, so we're not going to worry about it. But now we get to multiply and divide, and we're just going to do that first in this problem. First, you got to do it first. Multiply and divide. Do you see a multiplication problem? Yes. Is there a division problem? No. If you did have multiplication and division in the same problem, you just do them left to right in that case. Same with add, subtract at the end. Okay, so add, subtract comes at the very end. So the first thing we're going to do in this problem is the multiply. 3 times 4 is, I like to do this too, by the way, is rewrite the problem. Notice how I went backwards on that? I'd rewrite the problem so that I keep it nice and straight, because when it gets more complicated, you're going to see that it's challenging, right? Okay, so now we're going to have another one. We're going to have 3 to the 2 power times 5 plus 2 in parentheses equals. Okay, so check it out. Do we have parentheses? Parenthetical phrases, parentheses right there. Can you see that okay? See it? And we have an exponent. Then we have multiply. If we had an addition in here even, I could even put an addition in here too, over here in the front. Now we have an addition in there. Wow, it's super complicated and super hard for tiny human brains. Wrong. First we do the parentheses. That's 7 because you know out your app. And then I'm going to rewrite the problem to keep it straight. While I'm doing it, though, I'm going to go ahead and do the exponent. Parentheses first, then the exponent. 3 squared. 3 squared. 3 to the second power is 3 times 3. Not 3 times 2. It's 3 times 3. Remember, our exponent tells the base what to do, how many times to multiply itself. So that's a 9. And then we have the plus 2 at the front. Notice how I wrote it all. I just solved and rewrote it, keeping it straight in my head. Now I have 9. 2 plus 9 times 7. Now it's not 11 times 7, 77. It's not. I've got to do my multiply first, following the order of operations. Please excuse my ignorance. Order of operations. In the old proper order of mathematics. 9 times 7 is 63. Plus 2. And so the answer to this particular math problem is 65. Okay, that's it. Simple. Follow the order of operations. Parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. Piece of cake, man. Mathitude. Mathitude. What's your mathitude? See the shirt? Has so much to do with math. Mathitude. What do I mean by mathitude? I just mean having a good attitude about math, or anything for that matter. It's like making lemonade when you have lemons given to you. And just think about all these people that are challenged all the time with different difficulties and life brings them. And that's what's going to get you forward. And so if you've got a lousy attitude about math facts or iReady or whatever, change it. Flip it. Address it. Or be aggressive about it. Get after it. Have a good attitude. Get a mathitude.